Vadagal Lake Rejuvenation Project, Sripermbudyer, 2025, a CSR initiative of Indian Yamaha Motor, Private Limited, implemented by the Mangrove Foundation of India. The Vadagal Lake Rejuvenation Project is a key outcome of the continued partnership between Indian Yamaha Motor Private Limited and the Mangrove Foundation of India, MFI. After the successful restoration of Ottentangle Lake in 2024, Yamaha entrusted MFI with the rejuvenation of Vadagal Lake, a 15-acre freshwater body in Sripermbudyer, Tamil Nadu. The project reflects a strong commitment to ecological restoration, water security, and sustainable community development. Before restoration, Vadagal Lake faced serious ecological degradation. Heavy siltation had reduced its depth and storage capacity. Invasive weeds and solid waste had accumulated. Bund structures were weak, and green cover around the lake was minimal. This led to reduced monsoon water retention and poor groundwater recharge. Considering the lake's importance for agriculture, drinking water, and biodiversity, a scientific and community-inclusive restoration plan was implemented. Key interventions included large-scale desiltation and deepening to restore the lake's original depth and increase its water-holding capacity to over 10 billion liters. Bunds were reshaped and strengthened to prevent erosion and withstand monsoon flows. Waste and invasive vegetation were removed to improve water flow and ecological health. To strengthen biodiversity, MFI planted 500 native tree saplings, such as neem, banyan, pungai, bamboo, and other, along with 500 palm seeds. Community participation was central, with local villagers, youth volunteers, and women's groups actively involved in plantation and awareness activities. A monitoring system has been put in place to ensure long-term sustainability. The project has improved water storage, enhanced groundwater levels, revived habitats for birds and aquatic life, reduced flood risks, and increased green cover. It has also supported local livelihoods and demonstrated Yamaha's CSR leadership through a scalable lake rejuvenation model.